Hello YouTubers. So today I said I was upgrading my camera, so I have. This is actually the this is the original camera. This is a Crosstour 4K Wi-Fi camera. So far it's been not too bad, but as you've seen from previous onboard videos, the audio has been not great, not as good a quality as I would have liked. Even with the onboard mic, this little setup that I've been using here, obviously just runs underneath there and then into the in behind the cheek pad. You can't really see it very well. Yeah, there we go. In behind there, there's a dead cat underneath that. Just try to block out the wind noise, but unfortunately it's not done a very good job as I kind of wanted. I'd also covered up all the holes all the holes in this on this camera that I could. As you can see there, there's some little holes there. Whether that's the onboard microphone, I don't know. But yeah, this is a Crosstour 4K Wi-Fi camera. It's been not too bad really. Just a bit disappointing that the onboard audio has been less than desired, given the wind noise. You can sync it to your phone if you want to, and you can use the Live DV app on your phone to take photos and control the camera if you want to. It's also supplied with this with a microphone, but as you'll see from some onboard footage, I think especially probably the Ninja 1000 SX review that I did, which I'm probably going to have to go and do again, I think, because I'd like to go and take the bike out for a better ride. Yeah, the onboard audio unfortunately has spoiled a lot of that video, but it was a shame not to use the footage at all. So moving forward, as I said in my last video, on the run to go and get the 750 dynode, we now have this. So Gopro Hero 8, obviously with the media mod kit, and a new microphone. So obviously the mic just plugs into the back there, and you've also got your charging point, and your small your mini HDMI as well. So your USB-C here, I think you can, if you want to use an external battery pack, I think you can basically just plug that in there, and it'll keep it going for a bit longer. So yeah, I just bought a cheap AGP Tech microphone, and that'll go in there, replace all this gear, and we'll go and give it a whirl and see what it's like. Hopefully, it's the audio is much better. So yeah, we'll go and get togged up, and we'll give it a go. But fingers crossed. Hopefully, that's the end of the bad audio, and we'll take it from there. So we'll go and get togged up, and we'll catch you soon. Well then, here we go. So GoPro Hero 8 is installed with a completely new microphone. This is probably closer to the standard lav mic that you can buy. I think, like I said in the previous clip a minute ago, that it's an AGP Tech, I think it is, or something like that. But yeah, so we'll see what this is like. So yeah, Crosstour camera was good, but the audio quality was less than desirable. I think it must have just been the audio processing software on the camera itself to really to process it, because it wasn't it was okay, but obviously the wind noise etc wasn't the best. So fingers crossed this is a solution. So yes, GoPro Hero 8 black, 3.5mm jack plug straight in the back of the media mod. So fingers crossed it's coming out not too bad. So plans going forward, the 750, obviously you can see we're on the V-Strom today, but going forward I've actually got the Dynajet packet in the garage, so I decided to go for Power Commander on the 750 after all, as typically me, I don't know whether I'm going to keep it longer term or not. I'm not really too sure, or whether I just come down to one bike or just stay with two bikes. I would like to keep it, obviously, so longer term. So for the time being, we'll stay with two bikes. But as I'm always never 100% sure on anything,
I figured that we would go for Power Commander, and if I want to take it off I can. So plus the fact I can get it tuned on the doorstep, and yeah, ultimately there's more power to be had from the ECU flash. How much? Ultimately, probably not a lot. It is just 750 at the end of the day, so probably only 2 or 3 horsepower, if that. Honestly, don't know. But I've seen some good gains off the. I've seen some good gains from the Power Commander, so we'll just take that from there. I'd normally just step up the outside here and go up to the traffic, but front of the traffic. But I don't bother. Can't be bothered. So I was out on my mountain bike this morning. So up over that hill over there, you can see. Yeah, it was a good run. 20 odd miles. 20 odd miles, couple of hours. Up at 5:30. Really can't complain. It almost feels like you're cheating a little bit when you get up and out before everybody else is in the household, and you get back and they're all still in bed. So I'll probably be struggling with it a bit later. God, it's getting warm in here. I'll probably be struggling a bit later with the being so tired, but it's better than sleeping until 10 o'clock, I'm sure. So it's supposed to be better for you. Well, it doesn't feel like it at the time. So anyway, there we go. It is what it is. It is what it is. So fingers crossed this footage is half decent, and it's resolved the audio issues going forward. So on that basis, I'll sign off, and we'll catch you again soon. Thanks for watching, and keep tuned for the next update.